Hi, in the previous video we have been talking about the red-black properties, and basically we are able to check whether a given tree is a red-black tree or not. We just have to check these specified red-black properties. And if we come to the conclusion that the given tree is not a red-black tree, then we have to fix the violations basically with the help of rotations or with the help of recoloring. So sometimes we just have to recolor the nodes. Okay, so basically we have this case 1. As you can see, we have the node we have inserted. This is this node X. The parent node of this X is a red node as well. The grandparent is a black node, and the uncle is basically again red. This problem is very important, that's symmetric. This is the same problem, but instead of the X as a right child, we have the X, so the node we have inserted, as a left child. Okay, so basically it is the same symmetric problem. And we have the uncle. The uncle of the X is red, as you can see. And it is true for the symmetric pair as well. This is the node X, and the uncle of X is this node, which has the color red. So in this case 1, the uncle is red. So we just have to recolor some nodes. It is the easiest case. We have to recolor the nodes. As you can see, before the recoloring, X was a red node, the parent of X was a red node, and the uncle of X was a red node, and the root node was black. After the recoloring, the parent and the uncle swapped color in the sense that they are black now, and the root node have become color red instead of black. And it's very important that with the recoloring, maybe we violate the red-black properties in other parts of the tree. So we have to check recursively on the whole tree whether the red-black properties are met or not. So that's why after the recoloring, as you can see, the node X was here before the recoloring. But after the recoloring, the node X is here at the root node. Because sometimes with this recoloring, we have violated the red-black properties in other parts of the tree. Okay, so basically that's why this X becomes here. Okay, so we have to check recursively from bottom to top whether the red-black properties are violated or not. Okay, basically this is the same case as we have seen. It is the symmetric pair. So the node X we have insert is a left child of a right child. So the parent is a right child of the root node, and this given node we have inserted is a left child. As you may recall, the original problem was this. In this case, this node X is a right child of the parent, and the parent is a left child of the root node. So this X is a right child of a left child. Here in this case, the node X is a left child of a right child. Okay, the uncle is this node basically. It has the color red as well, as you can see. So we just have to recolor the nodes again. These nodes are going to have the color black, and the root node is going to have the color red. Okay, so as you can see, we just have to change the colors, and it's very important that the root node is basically going to be the node X. After the insertion, we have the X node here. After the fixed violation method called, basically with this recoloring, the root is going to be the node X. Why? Because sometimes with the help of this recoloring, we violate the red-black properties in other parts of the tree. So we have to check. It is like in the AVL tree, we have to check the balance after every insertion. It is the same because maybe when we recolor some part of the tree, then other parts are going to violate the red-black properties. So it's going to be a recursive check whether we have violated the properties or not. Okay, so that's all about the case 1 scenario. Basically, we just have to check whether the given node is a red. Okay, every node we insert into a red-black tree has the color red, so it's going to be fine. but the parent is red and the uncle is red. Basically, it is the same for this situation. We just have to make a recoloring, basically, and after the recoloring, the root node is going to be red, and the parent and the uncle is going to have the color black. And we just have to check recursively whether the red-black properties are met or not. Thanks for watching.